Buy me a boat, and buy me a truck to pull. You can buy me anyone 10 hours down with some silver bullet. Yeah, I know that they say money can't buy everything, or maybe so. You can buy me a boat to float down on the water with a beer. I hear the fireball out there sitting on the field. You can buy me a brand new riding red. Buy me a boat. You can buy me a truck to pull. You can buy me anyone 10 hours down with some silver bullet. Yeah, I know that they say money can't buy everything, or maybe so. You can buy me a boat. Yeah, I know that they say money can't buy everything, or maybe so. You can buy me a boat. You can buy me a boat. You can buy me a boat. Zimmer. Thank you. Amy, what you want to do? I think I could stay with you. Oh, I'll live longer about you. Now it's coming to what you want to get your way. All the things we loved before fading in the gray. Can't you see? It's like we should turn it all along. I can never tell what's right or what is wrong. I think I could stay with you for a while longer. Longer than I do. Amy, what you wanna do? I think I could stay with you for a while, maybe longer if I do. Falling in out of love with you. Falling in out of love with you. Don't know what I'm gonna do like you. Falling in out of love with you. Thanks, brother. Thank you. Let's play a quick song and then take a break. One more. Stuck in airports and terrorized, symptom meetings and hypnotized, overexposed, emotionalized, and we with I'm so tired of being lonely. I still have some love to give. Won't you show me that you really care? Everybody got somebody to lean on. Put your body next to mine. Dream on. I made a mess and I'm ready to mess. I cleaned up myself